This is the Frugal Gardener, and I try and remind you guys every year to stock up in the fall for the next spring. This is Walmart, and look at these prices. I mean, $2, $5. A lot of this stuff that you see here is normally double or triple the price. And this is early October, and just look, here's mulch for $2. All the way down the line you can see where the prices have been reduced. Here's a Pro Mix, I think that's roughly about $15, and you can get it for $5, and on and on and on. So this is a quick video just to show you guys what you can get if you shop around in the fall. Most of this stuff that I picked up today I am probably not going to use until next spring, but I'll have it, and it's going to cost me a lot less money. So if you got a couple extra dollars in your pocket and you have some time on your hands, you might want to check out some of these major superstores like Walmart and pick this stuff up dirt cheap and just put it to the side until the spring. You'll thank me later. Guys, make it a great day.